Guys, with some very breaking news relating to Dogecoin and cryptocurrencies, I'm going to be sharing you all of the nitty-gritty details in today's video. I'll also be doing a technical analysis to see if Dogecoin is headed up or down, so you're definitely going to want to stick around until the end of the video. What's up guys, I'm Joel and I'm an expert at technical analysis. With 13 years experience, I call out huge plays before they even happen, and I'm very accurate as you've seen in my previous videos. If you haven't joined my Patreon already, it's incredibly cheap and invaluable. It's in the top pinned comment. That's where you get my buy and sell trade alerts. As I watch the charts throughout the day, I wait for a steep dip. That rare time to get in, I let you guys know that I'm buying in so that you can buy in as well. I then let you guys know when I'm ready to sell at that peak, so you guys can sell as well or hold with diamond hands. And congratulations to everybody who's been taking my buy and sell trade alerts, because we've made a lot of money. Also, if you haven't joined my 100 Doge giveaway yet, you could do that by subscribing, smash that like button, comment anything down below, and follow my socials in the top pinned comment, where I'm going to be announcing one lucky winner when we hit 2,000 subscribers, which is just right around the corner. Guys, ringing the bell is so important so you don't miss my time-sensitive daily Dogecoin uploads. Smash that like button if you know Dogecoin is headed to the moon. It really does help out the channel. Guys, Dogecoin went up about 10% just within the last 24 hours because Elon Musk tweeted regarding Dogecoin. Guys, everybody went to buy Dogecoin just as they always do whenever Elon Musk tweets about that. Now, guys, if you bought right before this, just as I said for you to do in my Patreon, then you've made a lot of money. Guys, what are your thoughts on Elon Musk having such an incredible power and control over Dogecoin simply by tweeting? Let me know your thoughts down below. Guys, when we look at the 24-hour coin market cap, you see that Bitcoin is actually down 4%. Ethereum down almost 7%, Dogecoin and Cardano down just about 3 to 4%. Guys, just a couple days ago was a massive green day for cryptocurrencies. It's completely normal and healthy after a hard and long bull run for us to have a cool down period, a corrections phase where we retrace back to where we were before. Guys, we can't just trade upwards. We can't just trade downwards. We always have to go up and down. That volatility is normal for the stock market, for the crypto market. It's very good actually, and that's a great time to get in with all of this volatility in these infancy stages of crypto, because it allows you to get in at those steep dips like I let you guys know about on my Patreon, and then sell when we reach a peak. Guys, it's always going to go up and down, so there's lots of room to make a lot of money. Guys, I predict that tomorrow, yes, this weekend will be massive green days for crypto. That way we can just relax. It'll be very nice, enjoy our fireworks, enjoy our 4th of July celebrations, and just watch our money stack up. Guys, huge news. German law is now allowing $415 billion worth of Bitcoin and other crypto to take effect. With the new law in effect, it's now allowing investors to invest up to 20% of their money in cryptocurrencies. Some of these funds that are now being allowed to invest 20% have up to $2 trillion in assets. Guys, this is huge. This is massive. This is a lot more money pouring into Bitcoin, pouring into Dogecoin, pouring into crypto, causing the price of Bitcoin to go up, and the rest of the cryptocurrency market will follow along with it, and that includes Dogecoin. Guys, you want to get in before this actually affects the marketplace in such a massive way. And if you don't know exactly when to get in, that's why my cryptocurrency trade alerts are so incredibly invaluable, because it lets you know exactly when to get in so that there's only a very short period of time before we see massive profits, just as we've seen time and time again. Guys, I'm not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. It's simply my opinion based on my experience and software. If you don't yet have a platform to trade cryptocurrencies on, I highly recommend using my Webull link in the top pinned comment. If you use that link and deposit $100 or more, you get 2 free stocks worth up to $4,000 each. You can liquidate that, send that straight to your bank account, or buy cryptos with it. Also, if you want to trade cryptos tax-free, use my iTrust Capital link in the top pinned comment as well. Guys, the reason this is such massive news is because with mass adoption, other countries are now going to follow Germany. They know that if they allow people, they allow their funds, they allow people to invest money in cryptos, it's only going to boost the economy, because it's going to allow other businesses, companies, and mom and pop shops to start accepting cryptocurrencies as payment and allow more money flow through their economy, and in turn, allowing for far more success to their citizens. We're seeing countries that were banning cryptocurrencies now allowing mining, now allowing the purchase of cryptos, because they see the future and they realize this is the future and they must embrace it. People wonder, they say, how can Bitcoin be up to $100,000 just by the end of this year? How could Ethereum be over $20,000 by the end of this year? Or even Dogecoin above $2 or $3? Guys, it's simple. It's because billions and trillions of dollars are going to pour into cryptocurrencies throughout this year. This year is a massive year for cryptocurrencies, with the infancy stages and with everybody adopting crypto and accepting it with all the mass adoption and Elon Musk behind it. Guys, this doesn't even consider 3 to 5 years from now where Bitcoin will be, possibly up to $1 million. It wouldn't surprise me, and a lot of crypto experts are predicting this. Guys, more massive news. Jack Mallers' strike rolls out Bitcoin buys going head-to-head with Coinbase. Guys, this means that other crypto exchanges are going to go head-to-head with Coinbase. They know how much money Coinbase makes, how much profit there is in the exchange programs, and a lot more people are getting in. With more programs getting in, will allow a lot more mass adoption because they will be advertised and they will be suited for the average consumer. With more competition, gas fees, transaction fees going down, guys, expect for cryptos to skyrocket here very soon, and you want to get in before this happens. Guys, this company is actually going to allow US customers to purchase cryptos, to sell cryptos with almost 0% fees. Guys, this is huge, and this will allow a lot more mass adoption. Guys, Jack calls out the CEO of Coinbase. He says, come play basketball in my court. He's tempting him. He's saying, compete with me. I dare you. And guys, this is very healthy competition and very exciting to see in the crypto marketplace. Guys, with fees reduced, a lot more people are going to be interested. Just like you've seen the stock market, there used to be much higher fees many years ago, and now you can literally buy and sell stocks and not pay any fees. Guys, the first ever Jersey patch contract is going to be happening with Trailblazers StormX. Guys, this is huge. This means that a cryptocurrency is going to be in patch form on all of the jerseys for this sports team. Tom Brady has also showed a lot of interest in cryptocurrencies. Guys, he is a massive influencer in the sports industry. Guys, this is life-changing money that you could make here. Why do people get into cryptos? They get into them for financial freedom. When you get in these infancy stages, guys, that's the people that get rich, the people that get in before the mass adoption. There's no minimum that you need to put in. Heck, you could start out with $100, $1,000. We've seen on my Patreon, patrons doubling their money time and time again, so it's easy to start with only a little money because of that volatility. You might double your money, get out, and then wait for that huge dip once again to get in, and then double your money again. Guys, we've seen it before, and it is not out of the question. Guys, expect within the next 60 to 90 days some massive pumps for Dogecoin and cryptocurrencies in general. On my Patreon, I don't just put out trade alerts for Dogecoin. I also put out trade alerts for Ethereum, Cardano, Bitcoin, and a lot of others. Guys, just within the last year, Dogecoin is already up 12,000%. Guys, this is massive. Expect to see all-time highs for crypto before the end of this year. Expect to see all-time highs for Dogecoin also before the end of this year. Guys, just from one tweet from Elon Musk, billions of dollars flowed into Dogecoin. Guys, you want to be in before he tweets like this so you can get out when I call out that peak, when I let you guys know that I'm ready to sell so that you guys can sell as well or hold with diamond hands. Guys, he puts out these memes. He puts out funny memes that also have very secretive hidden messages. A lot of people like to decode these messages. I'm not all about that. All I care about is the money. And every time he tweets out one of these memes, guys, we see massive profits time and time again. Guys, Elon Musk hadn't tweeted out about Dogecoin in several weeks. When he waits like this, guys, he is just pumping up. He is getting ready. He's saving his energy. He's saving his power. He's saving his Twitter reach for these perfect memes, these perfect moments to get in, to make that price of Doge pump. And you want to be in before it pumps like this. Because otherwise, if you try to get in on the uptrend, guys, it's too late. You're going to have FOMO. You're going to have greed. And you're going to get in at that peak. You're going to see it go low. And you're going to wish you got my daily trade alerts. Guys, one of the things that Elon Musk tweeted out is, release the Doge. Guys, what does this mean to you? To me, it means that he's going to be releasing a lot more tweets relating to Dogecoin, and I'm ready for this. Very ready to rake in the profits. Guys, just as I've been talking about, we've seen the Wyckoff accumulation on the charts. Guys, that bullish symbol on Bitcoin was a signal for us to realize that Bitcoin was about to skyrocket, and sure enough, it did. That Wyckoff accumulation, that Wyckoff actually created himself, was a telltale sign that we'd have cryptos pump, and we've been pumping ever since. Guys, expect to see zigzagging. We're right now at $33,000 at Bitcoin. Guys, expect it to go up near $40,000 just within the next couple of weeks. And then that should very well send Doge up to 40 to 50 cents as well. Guys, after the 2 recent pumps that we've seen on Ethereum, we are now seeing it trade sideways and consolidate. Guys, this is very good, and this is a bullish pennant forming. Whenever that bullish pennant is finished, guys, expect to see a huge pump to the upside. These bounces are also expected after a double bottom, which we've also seen as well on Ethereum. It's either currently forming a double bottom or an inverse head and shoulders, both of which are very bullish symbols. Guys, we keep seeing Ethereum and Bitcoin have higher lows, have higher highs, and with these trends, guys, it's just a reminder that we're still on our bull run. As you zoom out on these charts, you see that we're consistently going upwards. Guys, it's a reminder that we're not finished. Dogecoin is not over. Cryptocurrencies are not over. They're not going to zero. They're far from that, and they're only going up from here. Guys, it doesn't bother me when we go down because I always know we'll go up. For every dip, we always have a peak. As you can see on our Dogecoin chart, it appears that we're actually about to form an inverse head and shoulders pattern. As you can see right here, we've got the head forming right here. Guys, expect to see a huge pump from Doge just within the next 24 to 48 hours. So be sure to get in. Be sure to sign up for my trade alerts so you can get in at the right time just before this pumps. And if Elon Musk tweets out within the next 24 to 48 hours, which it wouldn't surprise me if he does, guys, our pump will be that much more profitable. Guys, we had that double bottom when we hit 16 cents, when I called out that I was ready to buy, and a lot of my patrons bought in as well, and sure enough, they doubled their money since then. Guys, if you haven't yet signed up for my Patreon, it's incredibly cheap and invaluable. It's in the top pinned comment. That's where you get my buy and sell trade alerts. As I watch the charts throughout the day, I wait for that steep dip, that rare time to buy in. I let you guys know that I'm buying in so that you guys can buy as well. I then wait for a peak when we've at least made 20 to 30% profits, oftentimes double, letting you guys know that I'm ready to sell so that you guys can sell as well or hold with diamond hands. Also, if you haven't joined my 100 Doge giveaway yet, you can do that by subscribing, smash that like button, ring the bell so you don't miss my time-sensitive daily Dogecoin uploads, comment anything down below, and follow my socials in the description, or I'm going to be announcing one lucky winner when we hit 2,000 subscribers. Guys, thank you so much for watching my daily Dogecoin uploads, and I'll see you tomorrow.